The MQ-9 Reaper stands as one of the most advanced unmanned aerial systems ever developed, reshaping modern aerial operations with its exceptional endurance, precision strike capability, and far-reaching surveillance power. Designed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, the Reaper represents a major evolution from earlier drones, offering greater payload capacity, improved performance, and a versatile mission profile that has made it indispensable to military forces around the world. Its ability to stay airborne for long durations while carrying a diverse range of sensors and weapons makes it a central asset in intelligence gathering, border monitoring, and precision engagement missions. At its core, the MQ-9 Reaper is built for both reconnaissance and strike roles. Powered by a turboprop engine, it can cruise at altitudes of over 50,000 feet and remain in the sky for up to 27 hours, allowing it to watch, track, and engage targets with unmatched persistence. Its impressive wingspan, measuring over 66 feet, contributes to its aerodynamic efficiency, giving it the stability needed for long-endurance missions and precision targeting. The aircraft's versatility is further enhanced by its ability to carry a wide array of payloads, including electro-optical and infrared cameras, synthetic aperture radar, laser designators, and advanced communication systems that deliver real-time data directly to ground operators. One of the defining features of the MQ-9 Reaper is its precision strike capability. Equipped to carry Hellfire missiles, JDAM bombs, and other smart munitions, it can eliminate high-value targets with minimal collateral damage. This combination of surveillance and strike functionality allows the Reaper to perform, find, fix, and finish missions with extraordinary efficiency. Operators can identify threats, track movement, and engage in a matter of seconds, making the aircraft a powerful tool in counter-terrorism and battlefield support operations. Beyond combat roles, the Reaper plays an important part in strategic intelligence and humanitarian missions. Its sensors can map terrain, monitor disaster areas, detect wildfires, and assist in search and rescue operations, providing critical situational awareness in times of crisis. By delivering real-time imagery and data, it helps authorities make faster and more informed decisions. Its ability to operate in hazardous environments without risking pilot lives further increases its value in sensitive or dangerous scenarios. The MQ-9 Reaper's success also stems from its advanced control systems and satellite-based communication links, which allow operators thousands of miles away to fly the aircraft with precision. This remote capability provides unmatched flexibility and supports continuous global operations without the need for a pilot in the cockpit. As technology continues to evolve, the Reaper is being upgraded with enhanced sensors, improved electronic warfare systems, and expanded automation features that will keep it at the forefront of unmanned aviation. In many ways, the MQ-9 Reaper symbolizes the future of modern warfare and surveillance. Its blend of endurance, firepower, and intelligence-gathering capability has set new standards for unmanned aircraft, making it an essential tool for both military strategy and global security. As nations continue to face dynamic and unpredictable challenges, the MQ-9 Reaper remains a powerful example of how advanced technology can shape the battlespace of tomorrow.